Today, I'll show you how to check PayPal username. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website before entering your login details. Now, before looking for a username, it is important to understand how PayPal identifies your account. PayPal does not usually use a normal username the same way social media apps do. For most PayPal payments, people send money to you using your confirmed PayPal email address, mobile number, or PayPal.me link. To check your PayPal email address, tap your profile icon. Then open account info, personal info, or login and security, depending on what appears in your app version. Look for your email address. Make sure the email is confirmed, because this is usually the main detail people use to send money to your PayPal account. Next, check your mobile number. From the same account information area, look for phone numbers. If your mobile number is confirmed, people may also be able to find you or send money using that number, depending on your privacy settings and country. Now, if you are looking for your PayPal.me username, open your profile or account settings. Look for PayPal.me. If you already created a PayPal.me link, you will see something like PayPal.me/yourname. The part after the slash is your PayPal.me username. For example, if your link is PayPal.me/JohnStore, then your PayPal.me username is JohnStore. You can copy this link and share it with people who need to send you money. If you do not see a PayPal.me link, you may not have created one yet, or the feature may not be available for your account or country. If available, PayPal may let you create a PayPal.me link from the settings area. Choose the name carefully because PayPal.me links usually cannot be changed easily after they are created. If you have a business account, you can also check your business profile. Open Settings and look for Business Information or Business Profile. There, you may see your business name, email address, and payment details. So, to keep it simple, PayPal usually uses your confirmed email address, mobile number, or PayPal.me link instead of a regular username. Open your profile settings, check your account info, and look for your PayPal.me link if you have one. And that's how you check PayPal username. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.